Hey, here's a quick update. I'm currently working on installing some covers for the side view mirror, along with installing LED turn signal arrows behind the original glass. I completed my driver's side right now, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. So there you go. The LEDs are installed behind the glass. You have to remove the adhesive behind the glass, take the glass apart from the black bezel trim right here, and then once you have that, mount the LEDs, put the cover back on, and snap it back in, and so forth. I will have a installation video up later today or tomorrow. I still have to work on the passenger side, so once that's installed, I will go ahead and upload another video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at what this mod will be like once done. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.